All right, guys, so we are running a little late, so I gotta be quick. We're gonna try to get as much footage as we can. We're here in Philly today to put the deposit down on the venue for our seminar coming up in November. I'm gonna go inside, we're meeting with Steph, my brother's here, Riley's here. We're gonna choose the room, finalize the itinerary, choose all that stuff, and then hopefully find out if we can add a couple more seats. So I'm gonna go in, figure this out, we'll hopefully get you guys some pictures, some videos, you'll see some cool stuff, kind of like a little preview, and then I'll let you know at the end if we can add more seats. And then what do we got going on the rest of the weekend? We're here in Philly tomorrow for the conference too. So you guys are gonna see that, the money show, yep. So we're excited, we're running late, so let's go. So what'd you guys think? The venue's beautiful, right? It's one of the nicest venues in the city, and when Riley and I were setting this up, we were thinking, like, where else would we have our first trading seminar? It's gotta be the nicest place in the city, right? So because of the room that we chose in the Fittler Club, we've actually been able to open up 5 more seats. So if you're interested, you can go to austinsilver.info or click the link below to find out exactly what you get with your seminar ticket. We've packaged everything together for you, so if you're new to our team and you've never been involved with Forex before, but you wanna come start with us that day, just click the link below, go to austinsilver.info, and all your questions are gonna be answered there, all right? If you're interested, like I said, links below, and hopefully we'll see you in November in Philadelphia.